Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to conveniently automate your online bill payments in one place with Airwallex. Upload, approve, pay, and reconcile both domestic and international bills, all from your Airwallex account. With customizable approval workflows and notifications, Airwallex gives you more control over your company's spend. We also offer seamless accounting integrations. In this video, we'll focus on integrating Xero as an example. Let's get started. To begin using the Bill Pay product, the first step is to connect your Airwallex account to Xero. Navigate to the Settings tab in your Airwallex account. Then select Connections from the menu. Here you will see a list of integrations. Find Xero in the list, and then select Expenses and Bills. Once you're on the Xero Expenses and Bills page, click Connect. This will take you to the Xero connection page, where you can follow the instructions to complete the setup. You'll be prompted to log into your Xero account using your Xero credentials. After logging in, you'll be redirected back to the Xero Expenses and Bills page in Airwallex. Once your Xero connection is complete, you'll see the active status highlighted on screen, confirming the integration is live and your data is ready to use. This integration allows Airwallex to import key data from Xero, including your chart of accounts, tracking categories, tax rates, and contacts, which you'll use to categorize bills and expenses within Airwallex. You can also customize which values your users see when entering bills or expenses. For example, you can turn specific values on or off depending on your business needs. Contacts are toggled on by default, meaning when your users enter a bill, they can select from your existing Xero contacts. If a new vendor is added that doesn't exist in Xero, Airwallex will automatically create that vendor as a new Xero contact when the bill syncs. Once the connection is complete, you'll need to configure your bill settings. Go back to the bill settings page. Here, you can further customize your bill form, including what fields to display to users and which fields should be required or optional when submitting a bill. By default, certain fields such as vendor, invoice date, due date, and chart of account are required to ensure proper syncing with Xero. However, as an admin, you can toggle additional fields to make them required or optional based on your company's needs. Now, you can move on to setting up approval workflows. This will allow you to create custom processes for approving bills before they are paid. You can define who needs to approve each bill and what steps are required to move it through the workflow. Here's how that works in practice. To set up a custom bill approval workflow in Airwallex, follow these simple steps. Start by navigating to the settings page within the Bills section of your Airwallex account. Scroll down to find the Approval Configuration section and click on Manage Approvals. Click on Edit Workflow to open the configuration page. Here, you can give your workflow a name, add any conditions you'd like to apply, and set the required approval steps. Let's customize your approval steps based on bill amounts. For example, you can create 2 simple rules to control who needs to approve each bill. Rule 1. If the bill amount is less than or equal to 1,000 Australian dollars, you can require approval from the manager only. Rule 2. If the bill amount is greater than 1,000 Australian dollars, you can require approval from the manager first, followed by approval from the department head. This way, smaller bills move quickly through a lightweight approval process, while higher value bills receive additional oversight. Additional approval parameters, like setting rules based on expense categories, entity and more, are also available. Once you're satisfied, your custom approval workflow will be enabled immediately, and all future bills will follow this process. If you need to make any adjustments later, you can easily edit or deactivate the workflow at any time. Now that everything is set up, you'll be ready to upload, approve, and pay your bills directly from Airwallex, streamlining your account's payable process. For any future changes, you can always access the bill settings page to adjust your configuration. Thank you for watching. With Airwallex's Bill Pay feature and accounting integrations, managing your invoices has never been easier.